Watch as our real-life hero, Asher, steps into his tailored tail. Here's Asher, a happy boy from sunny Ohio. He loves climbing high and playing with colorful balls. Bounce, roll, giggle. Balls roll everywhere. So funny. Asher also loves yummy fruit snacks. So sweet. Uh-oh, balls are everywhere, all over Asher's playroom floor. Hard to walk, tricky to climb. What should we do? A happy balloon floats gently down to help Asher. Let's put toys away, says the smiling balloon friend. Balloon points to the big, colorful toy basket nearby. Asher, where should we put the balls to tidy up?
Your turn.
Basket! Toy box!
Yes, balls belong in the basket. Great choice, Asher. Putting balls away is fun. Toss, bounce, hooray! Can you help? Clap your hands every time Asher scores. Hooray! Asher puts the last ball in the basket. Is the floor clear and safe for climbing now, Asher?
Your turn.
Yes! Safe!
Yippee! Asher easily climbs to his yummy fruit snack. Cleaning up is fun, smiles Asher. Happy and safe. Now Asher knows a tidy room makes playtime more fun. What's next for Asher? A magical balloon world? Giant Fritz?